Bolognese sauce is a simple, satisfying, and hearty Italian sauce that everyone in my family loves. It's got carrots, celery, onions, and beef. We chop our onions and celery, and we heat our olive oil and butter in our saucepan. Add the onions and celery, and while those are sautéing, finish chopping your carrots and add those to the pan. Sauté until onions are translucent. Then add your chopped meat. I used local grass-fed beef for a rich flavor, and it truly does make a difference. Cook until the beef has lost its pinkness and it begins to brown slightly. Add about a cup of white wine, and if you don't have it, you don't need to use it, and you cook it until it is evaporated. And then you add about a cup of milk, and you can use skim milk if that's all you've got, until it is cooked off. And then you add your fresh nutmeg. And I do think this is another one of my Nana's secret weapons. It adds a dimension to the flavor that I think is missing if you don't use it. Next, it's the tomatoes. When I don't have any of my canned sauce left from last summer, I use Muir Glen organic tomatoes. Make sure you wash the top of the cans, as you don't want to transfer any yucky germs into the tomatoes when you open the can. Cook the sauce on a low simmer for at least an hour. When ready, boil your water, throw in your pasta, and make sure you stir it so it doesn't stick together. Once it's done, strain it and place in your serving dish. And here's another thing, do not add olive oil. I don't know why people do it, but Italians do not do it. And by the way, we don't do it because the sauce will not stick. So you add your sauce and serve. I always sprinkle some Parm or Pecorino Romano. And by the way, it tastes even better on day 2, so make sure you make extra.